Wish I had more storage. I went kind of fast in those other ones earlier, but it's because I know I'm not going to have the storage to show what I want to show. Looks like I had no cat moving in. Seen the fork in a couple of days. Trying to go slower. I may just share these as is, because I've already taken too many today to be able to upload a video. The sun's so bright I can't see anything with my eyes. Just what's in my camera. A while ago, the track riders were pretty cool out back. Looks like a boat full. Boat full of soldiers is what they look like to me today. I don't know about anybody else. And I missed that track earlier. Oh, there's a face. See that? I think. I really can't see anything, guys. There's a glare on my phone and it's really bright. There's some track riders. Whoosh. And it goes right to the sun. All day, every day. For several years now. Let's see, two eyes. And a nose, kind of looks like a rabbit face. See, there's the two eyes, the nose, the mouth. Or more of the nose, but